Now, a lot of that was focused on behavior culture, or revealed culture. Behavior culture. What is the revealed part of, say, revealed culture?
Revealed culture is the author's culture that the native speakers are willing to tell you.
Right. Or they know about as a cultural it's distinctively their own culture, and they will tell other people about. So an example of China, revealed Chinese culture would be what? Aaron? Huh? Shake hands. Okay. As opposed to say Japanese, where you don't shake hands. Anything else?
Martial arts.
Martial arts, I don't know if that's a revealed behavioral culture, but it's certainly a revealed either informational or achievement culture.
So these three belong to the behavior culture.
No, that's what we're going to talk about. But usually we talk about it in terms of behavioral culture. There's certain things